Over the past year, something really interesting has been happening. More and more people in their 50s and 60s are starting to earn income online. Not because they suddenly became tech experts and not because they're chasing the latest shiny object. It's happening because the online space has opened up more options than we've ever had before. And people our age are starting to realize something important. They already have skills. They already have experience. They already have knowledge that actually matters. And according to Forbes, learning digital marketing skills is still projected to continue growing into 2026 and beyond. So if you've been wondering, is it too late for me? Or could I really learn this at my age? Stick with me, my friend, because I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step. Hey, if we're new here, my name is Wendy. I am a Canadian grandma of 3, and I help fellow midlifers to learn how to build income online in a realistic way. So what I'm seeing more than ever is this quiet shift. People in their 50s and 60s are realizing that they're not starting from zero. They've lived a life, they've solved problems, they've actually learned things the hard way. Yep. Can I get an amen? And maybe for the first time, they're seeing that those experiences aren't just memories or hobbies, they're actually assets. And when you learn how to position them the right way, they can become the foundation for an income stream. That's what this video is all about. And just so you know, this is exactly why I created this workshop that I have coming up. It's called Passions to Profits, taking what you know and love, how to start creating that into an online income. If you want to begin changing the way you earn going into 2026, then you're going to definitely want to get on that wait list. The very first thing that you need to do before tools, before platforms, or any income streams is you need to figure out your niche. And I know that word gets thrown around a lot online. So let's slow down and make it simple. Because if you don't understand what a niche actually is, everything else will feel confusing. So a niche is not just what you enjoy. It's not just a hobby. It's not a big, broad topic. A niche is simply this: a specific problem that you help a specific group of people solve. That's it. People don't search for hobbies. They search for solutions. So instead of thinking, I like organizing, we ask better questions. Who needs help with this? What are they actually struggling with? What outcomes do they want? That's how a niche is formed. Okay, so now that you know what a niche actually is, we're going to use a really normal example like organizing and decluttering and walk through it step by step. And this can be done with anything. So let's say organizing and decluttering is something that you love to do. I wish it was something I did, but it's not. At this stage, it's still not a niche. It's just an interest. It's something that you're good at, something you've learned through real life. Now we turn it into a niche by narrowing it down. So instead of saying, I help people declutter, we get more specific. For example, women over 50 who feel overwhelmed by clutter and don't know where to start. Empty nesters trying to downsize without emotional overwhelm. People preparing for retirement who want to simplify their homes and their lives. So decluttering becomes helping women over 50 reduce overwhelm and create calm in their homes. That is a niche. Specific people, specific problems, specific outcome. Now here's the next piece, and this is where most people get really stuck, so pay attention. A niche doesn't exist on its own. A niche needs traffic, and traffic comes from what people are already searching for online. That's where the big search topics come in. You don't choose between a niche and a topic, you choose both. The topic is how people find you. The niche is why they stay and feel understood. Almost everything people search for online falls under these 3 big topics. There's health, wealth, and relationships. These are not niches. They are the big searchable topics, the big buckets that people already use when they go to Google or to YouTube. Now we simply ask, which of these topics does my niche live under? So let's go back to our decluttering example. Under health, people search things like, how do I reduce overwhelm at home? How do I create a calmer space as I get older? That's mental and emotional health. Let's talk about under wealth. People search things like, how do I downsize before retirement? How do I simplify my life financially? That's under the wealth and planning topic. Now let's talk about relationships. People search for things like, how do I declutter without fighting with my spouse? How do I help my parents downsize? That's under the relationship and life transitions. Do you see the flow now? We didn't start with business. We didn't start with search terms. We started with what you love, what you know, and what you've lived, and what you're passionate about. Then we defined a specific problem and placed it inside a topic that people are already searching for. That's how something ordinary becomes powerful. I want to give you a real example of this using my own niche, so you can see how this actually works in my life. Today, I help people in their 50s and older learn how to make money online. But that didn't come out of nowhere. For a long time, my husband and I were stupid short for retirement. And that weight, that pressure, that heaviness, especially when you're getting closer to retirement age and thinking, do we really have enough time to fix this? Like years ago, we were also in debt. And if you've ever carried debt, you know that it's not just numbers on a paper. It weighs on your peace. It weighs on your sleep. It weighs on your mind and your future. And we decided something had to change. I read a book from Dave Ramsey called The Total Money Makeover. And we took those steps he showed us and we followed them step by step and we got out of debt. And once we did, something interesting happened. I could not talk about it because I realized if we were in debt, other people were too. And if that burden weighed on us, it was weighing on other families as well, especially people heading into retirement like we were. So for over 15 years now, we've taught other people the exact strategies that we learned to help them get out of debt and gain financial peace. And that was my first experience with kind of a niche. Like I didn't wake up one day and say, I want to teach people money. I solved a problem in my own life. And then I felt called to help others to do the same. Now, fast forward to more recent years, I've realized that getting out of debt was only part of our picture, right? Then we were still stupid short for retirement. So people also needed to learn new ways to make money. And this time the opportunities looked different. So the online space had opened up. There were more options than ever before. And for the first time, learning new skills later in life wasn't just possible, it was practical. I didn't always know these skills, but once I learned them and once they started working for me, I had the same pull I did years ago. I had to teach others how to do it as well because it was working for me. And I knew if it could work for me, it could work for others too. And today, after earning over 7 figures online, my passion is helping people see that there are alternate ways to make money, ways that bring more fulfillment, more time freedom, more peace, more flexibility, and most importantly, more options as you move towards retirement. That is my niche, helping people over 50 who are concerned about retirement learn new skills so they can change how they earn. Now I want you to do the same thing. Ask yourself, what specific problem could I help somebody solve? Who is that problem for? Does it fit under the health, wealth, or relationships topic? That's your starting point. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you already know this. Once you get this part clear, your niche, the problem that you solve, the next piece is very critical. Creating a freebie, building an email list, and setting up a simple automation is what allows this to actually turn into income. And that is exactly what I will be teaching you step by step inside my free 3-day Passions to Profits workshop. If you want to start creating income in 2026 using the passions, the gifts, the ideas that you already have inside of you, this is where you want to be, my friends. So make sure you get on the wait list. You'll find it in the description below. And don't miss it. And one last thing before you go, if you want to see how this idea that you thought about during this video can be turned into multiple different income streams, you're going to want to watch this video right here where I break it all down very step by step. All right, I will see you in the next video, my friend.